The body itself will spit out the dead parasites. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and digestive properties that can support digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which can support immune function. Carrots are nutritious and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can support your overall health, including digestion and immune function. Ingredients: cloves, ginger, cinnamon. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.